This is your daily dose of cats.
Come on. It's time to get out. Yeah, come on.
Jesus.
Yes, we have to go inside. If you don't behave, you're not coming back tomorrow. Do you want to come out to...
You can't say that to Ginger.
Get off me there. Get off.
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Salem, we're not going outside. It's almost 11 p.m. No.
Best cat fight video you will see today.
You guys, imagine a cat that likes...
Bud, you ready?
Go get it!
I need to go to the bathroom, but I can't leave the cookies out, so look who's going to the bathroom with me. Because I can't trust her to not eat all of my cookies while I'm going to the bathroom.
He's been crying
all
for
night.
Like straight. That is
buddy.
so sad. We gonna keep him. Let's keep him. Oh, we just saved a kitten. So cute.
All right. And what kind of experience do you have for this role, sir? Okay. Anything else? Okay.
Lady, you better not be putting shit in my shoes again. Lady, no. Lady.
You're making the water brown already.
Ever since I bought this damn thing, he drink like he ain't drunk in 10,000 years. Slow down, Willis. Slow down. You ain't that goddamn thirsty, boy.
Most patient cat.
Plastic. Stop eating plastic. Your food bowl is full. Why are you trying to eat plastic?
Adorable scenes.
You guys need a chair? Anyone need a chair? Here. Did you need that chair? I figured you needed a chair, Knight. Hey, you're welcome, bud. You're welcome.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと